Welcome to Online Public Speaking. I'm your instructor, Yvette Trentini, and our class begins on July 14th. There are a few things to keep in mind to help you in this class. First of all, you need the textbook, the first day of class. This is The Art of Public Speaking by Stephen E. Lucas. In this slide, I have the 11th edition as required. I don't mind if you use previous editions as long as you keep track of the concepts with the chapters. Since this is an online course, it is designed to be completed entirely outside of a classroom. So keep in mind the following points. You need access to a computer that's fully functioning, free from major problems, and you must have the skill set to be able to use a computer in an online class. SEC staff, help desks, instructors are not responsible or equipped to help students that have computer problems. Save all your assignments, for example, the discussion board posts on your computer, and back up often. This is not self-paced. You will be collaborating with other students on discussion posts. In order to succeed, you need to regularly work on the weekly assignments. And online doesn't mean easy. You need to expect to spend the same amount of time in this course as you would a face-to-face course. So this means it's about 6 to 9 hours a week. When assignments are due, some students report they spend a little more time on those busy weeks, but that really depends on how you pace yourself. So this starts Monday, July 14th. The first assignment is due on Thursday, July 17th. So now, log in a few times a week to complete assignments and participate in discussions. Students that do not log in for 2 weeks will fail those assignments. Speeches are required, so missed speeches by their due date will result in failure of the entire course. The only exception is if you have made arrangements with me prior to this time. So this is a college-wide policy. You can complete these speeches in a couple of different ways. First, you can video and upload your presentation in front of an audience of at least 10 adults. Be sure and review the syllabus. An audience of 10 means less than 10, you'll see a reduction in your grade. So 10 points per adult missing. So if you can only come up with an audience of 7, you're going to see a 30% drop in your grade. You can also present in front of one of my other classes. So this term it's going to be a 2 to 4 class. By choosing this option, you're committed to stay for all speeches, which include students from my other class, and grade penalties will apply if you leave right after your presentation. You will let me know within our class how you plan to present. And then again, I can't stress enough that speeches are required. This is a college-wide policy. And just a note that I didn't mention earlier, video speeches are due 24 hours before the face-to-face presentations. Please, please do not ask for exceptions after assignments are due. So if you have some questions for me, write those down, think about them, look at your calendars and your schedules. You can go to the question and answer discussion board in our class, the first day of class, and post those questions right in that discussion board. I'll answer them as a general answers to avoid repetitive emails coming in my inbox, and then everyone can benefit from the questions and answer discussion board. Okay, I do want to see you online. However, if you decide that this class is not for you, take the time to withdraw from the course. We do offer this face-to-face on all 3 campuses, but I look forward to seeing you online. So again, my name is Yvette Trentini, and I am your speech teacher.